In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to quote a video on Twitter. First of all, of course, you'll need Twitter on your phone. If you don't have that, just go and download it through Play Store if you have an Android, or App Store if you are using an iPhone. Then, all you need to do, just go sign in to create your account. If you already have an account, ignore all of that, log into your account, and let's get straight to Twitter. So after opening the Twitter, all you need to do to quote video is to search for a video first, right? We'll just go here, search maybe for a video. If you didn't find it here, maybe just go here to the search option and search here for a video. Let me just scroll down. As you can see here, we found a video. So let's say, for example, I want to quote about this video. All I need to do is just click on the middle icon, which is the retweet icon. It's like a circle with two flashes, like going to each direction of the other one. Just go click on that, and as you can see here, we have retweet or quote tweet. So just click at quote tweet, and as you can see, this will appear to you. Of course, you can quote with a GIF, video, or photo as well. Or you can just add a comment to this quote of video or to this video. Let's just add a GIF as an example. And let's just do the applause one. Click at whatever or whichever you want. Wait until it uploads. As you can see here, the video is down there and the GIF that you did is at the top. You can add the comments as well, maybe well done, maybe something like that, and click at this retweet at the top right corner. Make sure that this will appear at your profile if you quote a video or even a tweet. As you can see, here is our quote. It appears in our profile and everyone will be able to see it unless you make your profile private. So that will be for the video. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.